Morning everyone, breakfast time, and we're having scrambled eggs this morning. I've got a few ingredients to show you. We've got eggs, we want 4 eggs. We want a tablespoon of butter, or you can use olive oil as well. We've got salt and pepper to taste. We've got a quarter of a cup of cheese and a quarter cup of milk and some chopped chives as a garnish before we're finished. We'll mix the eggs and we'll get on. So, just going to mix the eggs till they all come back. So we'll add some salt and pepper to taste, some milk, and then we're going to add our mixture to the pan. Heated that through, I'm just going to add the mix. So now the magic happens, we just keep stirring. And I'm now going to add the cheese. You don't have to add the cheese if you don't want it, it's just purely to taste. We'll just keep cooking that till it all comes together. All that's left now is to distribute this between 2 plates with freshly buttered toast. Some chopped chives for the garnish. There we go. Bon appetit. So we've had our breakfast, we've cleared up, and even though I cooked it myself, I'm going to say I really enjoyed that. What did you think?
Very nice.
Very nice. Very nice. So if you'd like to see more of our recipes, there's a link in the description below to a PDF download from our website, and also check out some of our other videos of our other recipes. If you like what you've seen, please give us a thumbs up, comment on the video, if you know, tell us what you think, or suggest any more other recipes that we can use. And if you'd be so kind, please subscribe and click on the bell icon so that you receive future videos as and when we publish them. Until next time, from Courtney and Christine at Going Touring, we're going to say bye.
Bye.
Bye.